Hi, in today's video I'll show you how to activate the DPF burn-off function, or in other words, how to force a DPF regeneration using a diagnostic computer via the EOBD port with the Delphi software. Remember that first, the coolant temperature needs to be at least 75 degrees Celsius, and you must have more than just the reserve fuel in your tank. Otherwise, the procedure won't start. We select the vehicle, model, and year and connect to the engine control unit. The diagnostic head is clicking. That's good. It means the connection is in progress. Now we go into adjustments. Expand the drop-down list and click on Particulate Filter Regeneration. You have the full procedure description available as an instruction manual right there, but I'll summarize it for you. You need to start the engine, make sure the fuel level is above the reserve, and ensure the coolant is at a minimum of 75 degrees. After clicking OK, the car will jump up to 3 to 3.5 thousand revolutions per minute, and a heavy cloud of smoke will come out of the exhaust for several dozen seconds. Don't worry, this is exactly how it's supposed to be. The car deliberately injects extra fuel during combustion so the exhaust gases can reach a temperature of several hundred degrees Celsius. This high temperature allows for the soot inside the particulate filter to be effectively burned off. Once the procedure is finished, a message will pop up confirming that the DPF has been regenerated. You can check its clogging percentage later in the car's live parameters. That's it. Subscribe to the channel for more.